they did not bring my baggage. I am currently in Thailand without my baggage. Bye, Papa.
Mama is going to drop us to the airport because I convinced her to. आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
मुझे मत बोलना, मेरे को सैंटी फील हो रहा है।
अच्छा, सॉरी। हमें तो सिर्फ डर लग रहा है. We are only feeling scared, but she's feeling senti. तो इसलिए मत बोलो. We've reached. I think everybody in my family is missing me, and mom she just left. Go home.
Chalo, आगे जाके मिलते हैं. I know it's light for you. Super strong woman. Let's go.
Yes. There were huge lines in Delhi airport just to enter the airport, but finally we are here to get ourselves checked in. There are some lines there, but it doesn't seem as bad as we expected it to be, so that's a good thing. To be honest, this is better than the last time.
How nervous were you?
Very nervous. I don't know why. I couldn't get myself to speak anything. I was so nervous. Check-in done. Immigration done. Security check done.
In less than half an hour.
This is to another level, like
Efficient.
Lucky, touch wood. So yeah, now we are going to just increase the enthusiasm level and go to the lounge because that's my favorite part in this whole wide world of traveling.
Alright. We're traveling for lounges apparently.
In love with the Christmas decorations. When we were coming to Indira Gandhi airport, if you must have seen our earlier vlog, we were thinking that we already have been to this lounge, which was Premier Plaza earlier, but we got to see a new lounge because there is a new lounge that has opened up here.
Premier Plaza closed down. It's like right next to this one, and Encom has opened up, and this looks so much better. It's so much bigger, and it looks so nice, and especially since it's new, it's all shiny.
Yeah, and it was like a surprise. So I love surprises, and also both of us got in, so that was a victory.
Free. She has got a perfect seat. We can sleep over here. We can rest.
And there are not too many people, luckily.
Yeah, we can shoot a little comfortably.
So happy. Let me just show you around. Tell you what all is there. Let's go. There's coffee, tea of various different kinds. This is what I want to have. And this. And if I'm not wrong, this looks like chaat papri. Does it not? Yeah, it is that. Woohoo! I am super hungry. So let's just have some food. And I love it, of course. Of course I love it. Goes without saying. It's new, shiny, and I just love it. We finally settled our plates.
It may be the first of many. While walking towards the gate, I just remembered how we ran the last time, like when we were going to Thailand, and it was flight was right across the entire airport, and we thought we were late, and we ran the entire place. And just to do what? Just to wait in the line at the end. So this time, no hurry, but we should leave. Let's see. And it happened again. The flight
But
was.
we did not run this time.
Yeah, we walked in a chill manner, in a normal fashion, because it's 9:25. The flight is supposed to take off at 9. The flight is supposed to take off at 9:40, and the gates are still not open. There's no boarding happening. Why am I not surprised? SpiceJet. Why am I not surprised? We waited right till the last to finally go in. Now we're stepping down. But Trisha, would you be surprised if we are still waiting downstairs?
I just don't want to. We waited so much time. We waited for me like maybe 20 minutes. And everybody has started, since everybody has started boarding.
It's 9:49. The flight was already delayed and now it's 9:49. Not looking so good, SpiceJet.
You must leave behind all hand luggage, high heels, and sharp objects to ensure a quick evacuation.
Free seat. Now I gotta watch the
Pressure in the
instructions.
cabin.
Wait.
Oxygen masks will be automatically released from the service unit above your seat.
So now we are just filling this lengthy immigration form, which I don't really see why do we need us to do. In any case, good job. So another point gone for SpiceJet because they did not bring my baggage. I am currently in Thailand without my baggage. I talked to them. They told me that they found my baggage in New Delhi. They chose to not bring it because they thought there was something suspicious in there. And
That's not true. We know how to pack. We pack like nobody follows rules like we do. There is nothing in that.
but of course our toiletries bags have been stopped to check before, and I guess that's the thing. They were like, oh, what is this, because it's all a mess in there altogether. That's the only thing I can think about.
Yeah, maybe the clutter, because I had my makeup and everything in there. Maybe that's why, because maybe it was like a cluttered thing. I don't know. But this is so disappointing. I mean, they could have called us.
We were in that airport for 6 hours. They could have just called us and told us that there's something issue with your bag. But it's alright. They just wanted to trouble us. What now they've told us is we're supposed to come back tomorrow for the baggage.
I'm like so mad.
And
at
tomorrow
them.
at around 4-5 a.m. that the bag is supposed to come. So 21st morning I'm supposed to come here.
Thankfully, we are here till 22nd. So I think,
We are hoping that we'll get a bag.
yeah, we have given them the permission to open it, check it, and then send it. But they could have just called us. How difficult was that? On a positive side, thank God we're not going directly to, we don't have a connecting flight or something like that. And thank God we don't, because we are planning to not take another flight in Thailand till now. We're planning to go via train and everything. So if we would have had to come back, that would have been a problem. So if I'm looking at the positive sides, then yeah, there are some, I kept some of my face wash and soaps and everything in this bag also, like the
Did we?
handbag. Yeah, we did. We said contingency.
I think we forgot that bag as well. I'm not sure. We'll have to check.
But whatever it is, I think, and Nikhil has he has one set of clothing.
That's
in
not
my
sure
bag
also.
as well.
That's a perhaps. I may have one set of clothes in my bag because we were
You
resetting and
shift,
then
oh,
in the end we were resetting because of the space issue. So there's
what
a
are we
lot.
gonna do?
There's a lot going on. I don't have any clothes. We don't have any toiletries, and she does not have any makeup. In that.
That's okay. That's the least of my concern right now.
It's still a concern, right? It's still things that we do not have. I don't know what to do. Should I create an entire new bag for me now?
I mean, we are hoping that it comes back.
We're hoping that it comes back because
The next flight.
we're not supposed to carry 3 bags from here, right? Let's figure out as we go.